Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota 4Runner door using easy methods. We'll cover practical steps and essential tools to get you back inside quickly. Whether your keys are locked in or you simply need to gain entry, these techniques are designed to be straightforward and effective. Remember to always prioritize safety and avoid causing any damage to your vehicle's paint or window seals during the process. One of the safest and most common methods involves using an air wedge and a long reach tool. First, carefully insert the deflated air wedge into the top corner of your 4Runner's door frame. Slowly inflate the wedge to create a small 1/4 inch gap, just enough to insert your long reach tool. Then, gently maneuver the tool to press the unlock button on the door panel or to hook and pull the interior door handle. Another approach, though requiring more finesse, is using a slim jim or a straightened coat hanger. A slim jim is designed to slide between the window and the weather stripping to engage the locking rods inside the door. Alternatively, a coat hanger can be bent into a hook shape to reach and pull up the manual lock button. Be very careful with these methods to avoid damaging the delicate internal wiring or the door's locking linkages. When attempting any of these unlocking methods, always proceed with extreme caution to prevent scratching your vehicle's paint or bending the door frame. If you feel uncomfortable or are unsure about the process, it is always best to contact a professional locksmith or roadside assistance. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, hidden location or investing in a magnetic key holder for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.